And now in the same app, we actually have a really nice machine learning damage coach and object part integrated. And I think before I talk a lot about the slide, I'm just going to show you a quick demo how that's done and set up. So here, the first part is actually the configuration. And this is easy. So you go into the Intelligent Scenario Management app. You have the model EIM here. You have actually two models, one that came in with 2102, the prediction of damage coach, and now the new one with 2105 is actually, and this one I just clicked on. So this one is the new one, 2105. And here you can see when you train it, for example, by clicking on it, then you can train it again, but you can also see your model versions if you go one step further. This is also important to know. We as SAP, we provide you with that model, and then the customer or you can take that model, copy it, and train it with your data. This might be also important for you. And then here you can also go to the second version and activate it, retrain, or delete it if you want to. So in my case, the first version looks good, has good ratings, it works. You can see the status here, it's active. Yeah, this is the name of it. It's active. And here you also have the information, and here I see the quality information is top. So get really good ratings from my machine learning. And the parameters I use with a percentage have a confusion matrix, what a name, where I can predict a class, an actual class, and take a look at it. So far, it's not far off. It's in good shape. The key influences are very interesting because I see my machine learning picks actually the most data from the short text. So almost 50% of my machine learning cases, prediction recommendations come from the short text. And here in the performance, I can also then see if my machine learning model actually works well. This looks fine. And then in the next step, actually, I would like to show you how you actually use this in the Perform Maintenance Jobs app. So by clicking on it, we go back. And for simplicity reasons, I do this quickly now. And here I use the filter. I want to have the ready for execution one actually, because it's where I probably want to record my cause. And then I'm going to go into just one of them, just choose one of them quickly. I think which one did I choose? I chose this one, yeah, exactly, the pre with the 0020, the operation. And here in this app, as you already know from the beginning, you have the tab malfunction details. Here you can also check the malfunction data again with the vibration, for example, in functional testing. This also comes from 2102 release. And here you have the button add. And here actually, when you click on it, this goes pretty fast. The machine learning gives you a recommendation. So in this case, I know that my gearbox is 48% always damaged. This is the object that is always damaged. This is what the machine learning algorithm or model found out. Here I can then assign a damage code again. I can give a little description if I want to. So maybe, for example, bearing is damaged. And then I have the cause. If I want to give a cause quickly, maybe here in our case, it's a breakage, that makes sense. Maybe I can also click it's a root cause. And then we can also in the next step assign quickly an activity to show the whole process. And here in the activity, I can say what I did as a technician. So I can maybe part replacement, for example. I can also then give a description if I want to, and click OK. And this is how easy you then put in the damage code description here with our cause and also the activity. And then you have the damage code ME03 assigned again.